Here we got a PAL MR solar charger. Here's the model number. This came off of a 24-volt solar system, and it quit working yesterday. So we're gonna take it apart and see what's wrong with it. Got 2 screws on one side, 2 screws on top, 2 screws on the other side, and I'll be right back with you as soon as I remove these screws. Alright, all the screws were taken out. As an electronical note, this piece of metal is too close to these input screws. Somebody put a piece of tape here, must have shorted it one time. Looking over, there's a dark burnt spot here, and we'll take it apart. There's the burnt spot I was talking about. Looks like we got spider manifestation, but no spider. Alright, we got 10 screws here and here. Screws up here. Can remove those so we can get to the back of the unit, check on this burnt spot. Alright, just disconnect all these connectors. Set this to the side. Go ahead and remove this. Okay, this is what's on the back side of that burnt spot. Has 2 main capacitors, the large ones, and some radial. All the smaller capacitors don't look broken. I don't see anything standing out. Okay, we'll give this back to the customer. See what other options he has. Might still be under warranty. Alright, thank you a lot for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We've got more stuff coming. You can look at some of the videos that are already on this site. Thank you very much.